push him up and over. So this lever here can do it, but he's pretty flexible, so it doesn't do anything more for me now. So I gotta let go of that lever and get some more shoulder in there. And I'm gonna sit on the table, same thing. My butt's kind of off, my knees in the air, my toes pointed sideways. So when I set him in here, I bring him over nice and easy, nice and easy. How's that shoulder? So they're gonna land here, and sometimes their hand will be on the waist kind of deal. I'm good with that unless I'm not. If I'm not, I tell my client I'm not, right? I don't know. But most of the time it just sits right there. How we doing? Okay, pressure?
Yeah.
Okay, then I'm gonna pull him onto me. So that's kind of the starting point. I could do trigger point here, I can open up, I can push away, lots of stuff. I'm gonna take my knee, I'm gonna roll it so it's pointed up. I'm gonna make sure he doesn't move, and I'm gonna push him onto my leg. So as I bring him over, right, it pulls him. This is one way you can do it. It's very easy. It's cross, kind of a clavicle, bicep, and I go and pull him. I tend to just do that one because I get this nice long run out of it. Again, you have a chair right here. I kind of figure out I want my knee not showing too far because I like room between here to do work. If I'm here, I just can't do much, right? So I really want to be here. Pull. So all the stuff in the shoulder, trigger point. Can work pec minor, can work into the axillary. I can get all the way back on the lat. I can get the serrati. Is that right? Is that the plural serratus, serrati? Yes, I don't know.
Sure.
Here, I can pull. I can bring them up. So, nice little capsular release there. But as I bring them up, I'm feeling that joint rotate. See my hand right here? So I really have no idea what's going on. I might come out now and how we doing?
Doing great.
Nicey nice. Pull back out. If I had my chair right there, it would look like this, and I could step on my chair, and I could pull. I can do a lot of work there. If I wanted to. So see how his shoulder's kind of up, his shoulder's up like this, kind of high. So once I get his arm here, and I've already checked and we've signed off and he's okay to have his chest exposed and worked on, males and females, same rules. But I want to release that shoulder before I pull him, to make it a little more natural. Nice deep inhale. What I do is I get momentum, I start, I lift up this leg right here, and I just start to roll, and as I roll, I bring him with me. Oh, I didn't quite get him, so I'm just let him go. Get a little farther. 2 fingers though, just got 2 fingers. There he is, I catch him. It's nice. Got a little bit too much leg showing there. He's kind of too close to me here, so I'm just going to go back. Now I got room. I'm on with it. Playing around. There's a lot of forearms, because the forearms are easy. How are we doing?
Doing great.
Yes. Pulling, pushing away. Still going to be cognizant of the rotator cuff. I'm not just going to jack his arm up. I'm going to go very slow. Like to feel the cuff as it rolls. Good there. How we doing?
It's a good stretch for the lats.
Come back, pull. I use my leg a lot. I turn my leg a lot to get different angles with him. Right? He's a flexible ballet dancer, and I go. How we doing?
Doing good. It's different, but it feels good.
So if they can do this, they enjoy it. If they can't do it, they don't enjoy it. So like, you know, probably you, probably Travis, flexi bendy people, right? It's super interesting, and I can do really interesting stuff in the psoas and QL, right? Long stretch. So this will be interesting. He'll come across, and this will be probably, I'll catch his head on the top of my foot, but this will be his spinal cross right about here, I think. I don't know. We'll see. No, this is the inside of my foot.
What are you going to do? Shall I just hand your foot?
So release there at the end, and he'll be off the table. lot of just fine tissue stuff here. From here, or I can get behind him, but like, oh, nice.
That's the spot.
Stretch. And the only way you get good at this is just do a ton of it. You know, have it done to you, shut your eyes, and just feel. So I can't see your eyeballs, so if something's bad, you have to scream or tap me. But I'm feeling for like that tension there. And then you have to have a theory on what you're doing, right? Do you slack it? Do you tighten it? Do you stretch it? Do you work on a 2-second compression? Do you work on, whatever you do that works. The rest of the body do the same thing there, and it should work, right? Even though it's different than what I do or you do or that, we all have different ways we heal things. If you do a lot of it and people aren't getting better, maybe look at something different, If you do a lot of it and people get better every time, maybe you come teach class. How we doing?
Doing really good.
I'd probably go sitting with him. He's too big to kind of jockey around the table. And so I'm going to have you go sit up for a second, okay? So right about now, nice big inhale, and sit. I'm going to get him back. Some people I can slide really good and get back, but he wasn't going there, so I'm not going to try too hard. All right, so play with that. It's just a concept to do wonderful things with.